Hi there, how are you doing today? I am here again with another 100% effective weight loss drink for you. If you don't have time to start cooking, you don't have time to start cutting and doing a lot of things or some stressful things to make you lose weight, or you don't even have time to do exercises or to watch how much calorie you take every day, then this drink is for you. It is 100% effective, very, very easy to do. It will take you less than 3 minutes to do if you already have your hot water stored, and probably 5 minutes to do if you don't have your hot water stored. So it is 100%, even 200% effective. Last yesterday or the day before yesterday, I made a video about a weight loss drink, and I must sincerely thank you, my viewers and subscribers who watched that video. Thank you so much. The link is in my description. You can watch that video. It is 100% effective, but this one is so easy to do. There is absolutely no cooking and no stress involved. Okay, so I saw a girl I used to know. She was a little bit on the big side. She was fat, and I asked her what she used, and then she told me she used cocoa powder. That was the first time I had cocoa powder, and I had to look for it in the market and bought it myself. And ever since the time I've been using it, I have not gained weight, even though I've been eating pastries and rice. I don't take soda. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe right now. Please do turn on your bell to get notified of any of our videos. Share and like these videos. Thank you so much. So how do you make this tea? In short, what you need is to get cocoa powder. This cocoa powder, Oluji pure cocoa powder. I'm not marketing for them. I'm not. All what I know is that this cocoa powder works. Okay, and that is why I'm showing you Oluji cocoa powder. It is 100% cocoa powder. It is made out of cocoa seeds. All right, so if you have this, you can use this. If you don't have this, you can buy it in the market. And if you can't buy this, if you can't see this, you can also buy your cocoa, your coffee. Yeah, the coffee. Yeah, you can get coffee, the one that doesn't have milk. Okay, so you need cocoa powder or coffee, and then you need lime or lemon. I prefer using lime because it is more juicy than lemon. That is my opinion, though I use lemon a lot because I use lime a lot because it is more juicy, and it is not so difficult to find in the market, at least where I live. Okay, so when that is done, you have to get your mug. Don't use a glass cup. Use a mug cup because you're going to be using hot water. If you have your water stored already, pour it inside your mug. It's as simple as that. Pour it in. If you don't have your water stored up already, you can boil some water, 2 minutes max. The water should be ready. Put it on high heat so that it can be fast. So put the water inside the mug cup, and then you add your coffee or your cocoa powder. All right, add your coffee or cocoa powder. I used 1.5 tablespoon. You can use 2 tablespoons, but please don't drink this too much. Remember, you're going to be taking it in the morning and then in the night. When you take too much in the morning, you take too much in the night, it may cause you not to sleep well. Yeah, so you have to limit the amount of cocoa or coffee you take. You can read up in my description the very rich nutrient of cocoa powder and lime. Okay, so when you are done mixing your cocoa and water together, mix it very, very well. When you are done, then you can go in with your lime or your lemon. I used two lime because I wanted it to work very fine. I was going to take this in the night, so I used two lime. You can use two lemon, or you even use more. Yes, because one thing that lemon does is that lemon or lime will shrink your belly fat. It will make you feel so light. In fact, it is one key ingredient in your weight loss drink or recipe. Lime or lemon, very, very key. So I used two. And after I'm done squeezing, I made sure that the seeds didn't go inside the coffee I made or the cocoa drink I made. You don't have to put the seeds there. No, remove the seeds by using your sieve. So go in with your lime, and after you are done doing that, your cocoa weight loss drink is ready. And if you have coffee, your coffee weight loss drink is ready. It is as simple as that. This will not cause you stress at all. Apart from the fact that it works 100%, it will also not make you go through the stress of cooking, of cutting, and all the rest. This drink is effective, especially when you have eating what you ought not to eat. You know what I mean? Like you've eaten a large bowl of rice, no vegetables, or you have taken a lot of bread and pastry. This drink will do a lot for you by shrinking those things you have eaten. So your drink is ready. Take this in the morning and then in the night. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not. Turn on your bell to be notified and share this video. I have a whole lot of weight loss tips you can check out on my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.